Hi guys, I've been having a problem with my power supply box. It's been vibrating and it makes like a grinding noise, as you can hear. And I'm not sure how to fix this problem because I don't know much about computers. I have a lot of dust inside my computer, but I don't know how to clean it because I don't want to damage anything. The only way to stop this problem is to like shut down my computer several times. Could like make it stop, but usually I would make it like run for like about 20 minutes and then shut it down and then like put it on sleep, and then after it's on sleep right away like put it back on so the noise could stop. But like if I would like to hit my table or like to a sudden movement that vibrates the computer, the noise would trigger again. So I don't know, maybe it could be a loose screw for the power supply. I don't know. I'm not an expert at this, and if someone could help me, it would be very like good for me, because this noise is very annoying. Thank you guys. Have a good day.